Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install IMO app on Android device. And to download and install the IMO app on your mobile device to make free international calls and chats, follow the steps. First, you need to open your Google Play Store and on your Android device, in the search bar at the top, type IMO and enter it after you're done. And here we could see the IMO international calls. Tap that and tap on the install button to download and install the app on your device. And once the installation is complete, tap the open button to launch the IMO app. And you need to sign into your IMO account or create a new account if you do not have one. Once signed in IMO account or create a new account if you do not have, you can start making free international calls and chats with other IMO users as well. And please note that IMO offers free calling and chatting. Data charges may apply if you are not connected to a Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.